Hey, good morning, how do you do? We've got something special for you. It's just for fun, it's just for kids. It's time for Pacific Sightseeing.
Number 6, you guys think I'm all about the hummingbirds, right? Well, I'm also quite the firefly
are you
enthusiast.
now?
You guys know this year I've been delighted to see more fireflies in your yard. You guys seen more this summer? Well, people have been tracking them and encouraging others to submit their findings at Firefly Watch online database. The website helps keep track of these glowing beauties. If you're wondering why you're seeing more this summer, it's simple. They love warm, wet, humid weather, and we've had plenty of that. Also a theory that the cicadas,
Here we go.
they were feeding on the cicadas instead of the fireflies, so it allowed them to regenerate. That's a theory. I don't know.
Sure.
Out there, maybe conspiracy theory.
Yeah, no.
A lot of them out in Glencoe this time
A lot
of year.
yeah, absolutely.
Thank you for sharing. That's
Dan,
full
thanks for sharing.
context.
I know
Thanks,
that's
buddy.
not easy for you at times. All right, number 5, want to look oh so French. Next time you're meeting the girls for brunch in Tinley Park, 2 words for you, black heels. They were out of fashion for a minute, but they are back, baby. That's all you need to add instant chicness to any outfit. Black heels, take jeans and a t-shirt from blah to bam in an instant. Add little black heels to your little black dress, and all of a sudden you're Audrey Hepburn in Breakfast at Tiffany's. Got a big meeting coming up at work, put on some black heels, it's an instant power boost. If you got a hot date coming up this weekend, throw on some sky-high black heels. 2 words here, sex-y. You are welcome.
I don't know. I'm hearing the complete opposite. You want nude or like, so the black, they say black shoes out, I thought.
Well, it's
No.
Paul's telling us, so
I'm
it's
telling
definitely
you
true.
right here, right now. Listen, who are you going to believe?
You're right.
Right.
I mean, look at this.
You
look
still
at
wear
this.
black heels,
Yeah.
Robin. I do too.
Occasionally, but it's like if you want to, I think you're.
Wanna
I
be
thought
hip?
they say it looks too chunky. You know, like we're
The black heels too?
if you're wearing I don't know.
And she wonders why she's stuck here, Paul.
Right.
If only she would listen to you. If
I
she
know,
would
I apologize.
zhuzh
I
it up a little-
apologize.
She's zhuzhless is what she is.
For years, I have been trying to take care of her. I gave her Skilling's home phone number in like 1999.
that ship sailed and
Nothing.
I wasn't hanging on.
More.
Dang it. Anyway,
Thanks,
all right,
Paul.
I apologize. Go ahead.
All right, number 4. Another sign that you're just too polite. Are you too apologetic? Do you walk around apologizing for everything? Do you say things like, I'm sorry to bother you, or I hate to impose, or maybe, I know you're busy, but I hate to interrupt you. Stop doing that.
Yeah.
Stop apologizing for existing. Psychologists say this type of behavior can be irritating, especially if you do it constantly. And people may wonder why you're so afraid of them. It's also a sign of low self-esteem. Instead, if you need something, just ask for it and say thank you. That's the definition of politeness, and it is annoying. Stop apologizing. I'll be like, you're not bothering me, but you're bothering me because you're asking if you're bothering me.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, number 3, check this out. The very first dishwasher was invented in 1886 by a woman named Josephine Cochran. But dishwashers didn't become popular until the 1920s. That's when permanent plumbing in homes was first introduced. So it made machines like dishwashers possible. It was a real game changer and still is. Keep in mind, dishwashers were super expensive back then, so only the super rich people had them. And they actually had people to wash their dishes, I'm sure.
That's right.
These days, pretty standard.
Look at how happy she
I
looks.
was going to say
Look
the
at that.
exact same
Saving
thing. She's
all this
glowing.
time.
When you're in your lane doing
Yeah.
what the Lord intended you to do, you like there's so much joy in
Joy.
it. You
It
can
just
see it
emanates, yep.
oozing
Freed her
through
up to put on
pores.
that dress as it should be.
Lucky her.
Number 2, 80s school cafeteria week continues. This time it's that crispy, cheesy, rectangle-shaped pizza. It was baked in giant trays and always served hot out of the oven. If you were smart, you'd get it with a basket of fries. It was always the best deal in town, the perfect carb combo. Back then, all you needed was your slice of pizza, your shoestring fries, and anything was possible. Anything except maybe that president's physical fitness test and climbing the rope in gym class. The shuttle run gave me some trouble, too. I'll say that.
Number 1, this one's more of a discussion here. We
right.
found this headline on MSN. What I learned after saying yes to every invite for 30 days.
Oh.
30 days of just saying yes.
I like this idea.
Might know the answer from this group based on
Yeah, there you go.
these quick reactions here. Would you guys do this?
No.
No, not a chance.
Well, what did this
Yeah.
person say? How did it
Yeah.
go?
Well, no, I think it's just more of a, we're just putting this up for discussion
Oh.
here.
Huh.
Yeah.
There's not much
It's
to
just
discuss.
30 days.
Yeah, no, it's-
Try it different.
Does everyone know you're saying yes to everything? Because then maybe people start asking you
Yeah,
just to
that's
like
the
make
trick.
you mad.
And
you
you know
know?
what? Let's
That
be
could be
fair.
problematic.
Even if you did say yes to everything, you'd be out of there after 5 minutes and
Well,
slide
you
right
said
out the back
yes.
door.
But you
Yeah.
win. You win.
Yeah, you went. You did it. You mixed
saw
it up a little
and
bit.
you left.
The number of invites from the PR people too to all these events around
Oh.
the
You can't
city,
say yes to
promotions
everything.
and
No.
Yeah.
restaurant openings, and
Right. Yeah.
appreciate the effort, but that'd be impossible to say yes.
Yeah. What are you gonna do?
Eh,
What
well.
a fun group.
Yeah.
It's a
But the
6 and 6.
firefighters are black, right?
Yes,
Firefighters.
yes, they
Yeah.
are.
All right.
Yippee.
So I wanted to